So we're still looking at the same line of code because each of these pieces are fundamental pieces. And the one that we're going to examine right now that's inside of the F string is one that it's easy for people to just kind of get hung up on sometimes. I know years ago when I was in Python program courses, I would look at it and feeling overwhelmed, scratch my head, trying to go, okay, what on earth is this? What does it mean? So I want to make sure to hopefully make that not happen for you if possible. So this :03D in our F string here that you see, this is actually the most sophisticated part of our F string. It's the format specifier. It controls exactly how our number appears in the final string. So if :03D, the colon separates the expression from the format specification. Everything before the colon is the value to format. Everything after tells Python how to format it. So before the colon, that's the value, that's what you're working with, that's what you want to format. After the colon, that's how are you supposed to format it. So in this particular case, you've got the colon and then the 0. The 0 means pad with zeros instead of spaces. This ensures our numbers have leading zeros when needed. The 3 specifies the total width. So you're supposed to have 3 numbers there. Total width. We want exactly 3 characters for our number. So if our number is 1, we want it to print out as 001, not just 1. If our number is 20, we want it to print out as 020. So that's 3 characters no matter what. If it's 9, 009. If it's 99, 099. If it's 220, it should just be 220 because that's still 3 characters. 3 is the total width. Now D, so :03D. The D means decimal integer. So it formats this as a whole number, not a decimal. That can get confusing sometimes. So why is it saying decimal if I'm trying to go for whole number? It's decimal integer, so it's an integer, meaning no period 00 or anything else after it. So :03D means format as a decimal integer, 3 characters wide, padding with zeros. Number 1 becomes 001, number 25, 025. Number 100 stays 100 because it's already 3 digits. And this creates perfectly formatted entity IDs like we've used as examples. _001, and so on, all with consistent width and professional appearance. The 0 padding is also crucial for proper sorting. Without it, entity _10 would come before entity _2 alphabetically, but with the 0 padding, entity 002 correctly comes before entity 010. Format specifiers give you precise control over how your data appears, ensuring consistency and professional presentation regardless of the actual number values. So it's super helpful.